Ano nga ba ang nangyayari sa taong nasa isip mo right now? Anong energies ang nasa palibot niyong dalawa at sa connection niyong dalawa? If you are open to receiving a message, this reading found you for a reason. So we will be tapping into the energy of this collective and the person on your mind. Okay, so just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is just the energy around you guys, and it may not manifest in your reality, pero ito yung current energies na nasa paligid nyo right now, okay? Angels, ancestors, spirit guides, what is the energy around this collective? Tingnan natin, ano ba ang pinagkakaabalahan ng collective natin? So you are taking things slow and steady, pero there is progress. Okay? Slow and steady ka lang. Chill ka lang. Focus ka lang sa work mo. Patient ka. Ano ka lang. Chill lang. Yan. We also got the Two of Wands. So you are planning. You are tinitingnan mo kung ano yung mga future steps na gagawin mo in your life. Yan. Or maybe this connection. Kung ano yung mga next steps mo um, once na maging connected kayo nung person na nasa isip mo. Okay. So, let's see the person in your mind. Ano kaya ang ganap niya? The person in your mind. We got the Fool and Death. So this is about ending and an ending and a rebirth. So I feel that this is saying that they are transforming into something. They are being rebirthed and ready and is starting to see that there is hope. There might be a fresh new beginning for this um connection, for this relationship, or kung ano mang relasyon or connection yung dalawa. Okay, so I feel that yan, they are undergoing a transformation, and etong transformation na to, magbabago yung pananaw nila in life, and this could also be a start of something new, a new beginning for them and for the both of you. So what is the okay, ikaw to. The Queen of Pentacles. So you are protecting your own abundance, your own self. You are practicing self-care, you are focused on yourself, you are um nurturing your own self. Focus ka muna sa sarili mo. How about them? Ano namang ganap nila sa transformation na to? At ready na sila mag-start ng new beginning. We got the Seven of Pentacles. So they are waiting. They are waiting for growth sa kanila, I feel. They are very patient. They are planning, also planning kung paano sila lalapit sa iyo ulit. Paano sila mag-contact sa iyo ulit. So, tinitingnan nila kung paano ba yung magiging growth ng relationship nyo. Tinitingnan nila kung paano ba ako makakabalik sa buhay nitong taong to, sa buhay mo. Okay, so let's see the energy of this connection naman. Tingnan natin kung ano bang ganap ng connection yung dalawa. Okay, let's get some cards for this connection. Kung anong energy ng connection nyo. Ay, hindi. Saan na yun? Ayun. We got the Three of Cups and the King of Cups. So, very emotionally charged itong connection nyo. And I feel na you both will celebrate and will be emotionally stable once na nag-connect kayong dalawa. Okay? We got the Three of Cups. So, ito yung celebration, happy party, ganyan. So, there is a good chance na maging happy yung connection nyo kasi you have grown, you have mastered kung paano nyo hinahandle yung emotions nyo. Kaya you have learned something from this. Especially kung you have been in separation and you have been learning your own um, learning your emotional stability or healing your own shadows, ganyan, facing your own shadows. So, okay, tignan natin. What is the outcome of this? We got the Ten of Cups. So, this is very successful, guys. Magiging masaya kayong dalawa once na maging okay lahat. Once na, oh my God, bottom of the deck is the Two of Cups. So, there may be reunion. There may be union. There may be partnership. So, pwedeng magsama talaga kayo ulit. Once na maging okay to, once na mapagdaanan yung mga dapat na pagdaanan, once na they have transformed, and once you have been, you learn how to love yourself, and once they learn how they can win your love back. Okay? So, ayan, very beautiful yung outcome nitong connection na to. So, ayan, let's get some special dates. Baka monthsary, anniversary, birthday, tingnan natin. We got 16 and 19 on their own. 19 and 19. So, 19 is a very special number or date. 6 and 9. So, June 9 and September 6. 11 and 18. So, November 18. Last one, we got 3 and 2. So, February 3 or March 2. Ayan, if this message resonated with you, sana nakatulong itong message, itong reading na to sa inyo today. And ayan, just take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is the present energy of your connection, and it may not manifest the way that it is being shown here kasi syempre hindi naman natin makontrol yung mga yung emotions and yung choices na gagawin nyo in life. So, yung mga decisions nyo. So, ayan, this is the current energy and the possible outcome. Once na matanggapin nyo yung mga energy na nakapaligid na ito. Okay, so, ayan, I hope you are having a good day and I'll see you on the next reading.